Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my reviews. So today we are gonna do unboxing and review of a phone, ASUS Zenfone Max Plus. So here are the specifications on the screen, which I'm gonna read out. Display type is IPS LCD, capacitive touchscreen 16 million colors, size 5.7 inches, 83.8 cm square, and 75.3 screen to body ratio. Resolution is 1080 by 2160 pixel, 18:9 ratio, 424 pixel density. Multi-touch it supports obviously. Operating system is Android 7.2 Nougat. Chipset is MediaTek MT6750T. CPU is octa-core 1.5 GHz Cortex A53 based CPU, and GPU is Mali T860 MP2. And the card slot are, you can always add microSD card up to 256 gigabytes. Internal storage will be 3 gigabytes and 32 gigabytes and 2 gigabytes and 16 gigabytes. So this is all, and let's get right into the unboxing part. So let's unbox the smartphone. Okay, so we got a jelly case. Yeah, we have a jelly case on the smartphone. Okay, so this is a jelly case for daily Zenfone Max Plus, so we are gonna use this on later. So we got the phone. Remove the plastic. Of course, we got here some paperwork. Who's gonna read this? And here is the micro USB OTG, so you could charge other devices or for storage, and if all have thumbs drive that you want to transfer file to the ASUS Zenfone Max Plus. Of course, we have got here the micro USB port and in the earphone inside it, and we have a charger which is not a fast charger, it's 5 volts 2 ampere. So, and yeah, we have got a SIM ejector tool over here. So okay, so we have here the ASUS Zenfone Max Plus, and as you can see here, we have a very clean look on the smartphone. I have already set up it, and actually the phone is now downloading some applications and stuffs. And as you could see here at the back, we have got the dual camera. One of them is wide angle lens, and we're gonna show it today, and then I'll go to the LED flash, the fingerprint scanner, and the metal back. Very similar to the ASUS phone and Max that we have reviewed before, except this smartphone has a 18:9 aspect ratio. That's why despite having 5.7-inch display, the smartphone is ergonomic, and you can see here I could use the smartphone and even type on it with one hand. And we also have got the 5.7-inch Full HD Plus display on front camera and earpiece, and basically we don't have any capacitive buttons or any more below it. So if we have on-screen buttons on the smartphone, so a secret here, here's the display of the smartphone, and we do have a thin bezels on the sides, and we have rounded corners which adds the beauty to the smartphone. Actually, the display of the smartphone is really bright, and I really like the colors of the smartphone. Maybe it's because of Full HD Plus, but actually I really like the display on the ASUS Zenfone Max Plus. Okay, at the top we got the 3.5mm audio jack. Below we still are using a micro USB port, and the speaker goes over here. And this is the ASUS Zen UI, and the secrets we know, we don't have any capacitive buttons. In order to check out the app drawer, we just have to swipe up, and so a secrecy app will still go to the selfie master, Instagram message, messenger, and basically most of the applications that are pre-installed in the smartphone, and mobile manager stickers. Let's rent all the permissions. As you can see here, we have power master, so we could have additional lifespan, we could reverse charging, or to start manage your battery modes. This one is really important for the Zenfone Max, is because the example of Max series is known to have a very long battery life, and having a control on your battery life of the smartphone, it's a very critical feature. So okay, so secret here, we got the data uses power master booting by cleaning out around. We got a 4 spoon. I know that's plenty if you want to add more space. And okay, so displays two apps on the screen. Multi-window is one of the advantages of having an 18:9 ratio. Multitasking, so we have its only display and multitasking on the portrait mode, means that we could have a larger space for two applications. For example, so we do have a larger space for multitasking because this one is taller, not wider. So instead of showing content which is wider, this one is taller, which means I could check out more content on the multi-window mode. Okay, so again we do have a power master mode. So this is basically the shortcut, so this one on the smartphone manager. And of so this is all for unboxing and hands-on of the ASUS Zenfone Max Plus. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to get such videos on the daily basis. So till then, peace out.